I'm for real about to buy a wig, like literally spend $100 on a wig because I'm so sick of being nappy headed.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Juliana. Today we're gonna do an eyeshadow tutorial because my videos are getting like hella long and hella annoying. And I need to shut the fuck up sometimes. I talk too much. There was enough said last video, so let's keep it short, sweet, and simple. I've been practicing hella looks for you guys this week because I couldn't really do face makeup because your girl was having a little bit of a breakout, and by that I mean your girl looked like a pepperoni pizza, so I wanted to give my skin some time to chillax. So I just did eyeshadow and I came up with this super chill eyeshadow look yesterday, and I want to film it for y'all. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Would you look at that? I didn't think this through. Okay, I know I did orange last video, but I'm unoriginal as hell and you're just gonna have to deal with it, sis.
Oh my god, so before I went to bed last night, like, I was simping for some reason. I don't know what was wrong with me. And then all of a sudden I started thinking about my junior year, which was hella stressful, to be honest with you. That shit was the most stressful thing ever. I was crying like every other day the last semester.
For real, because it was just too much. I got a job, so I was working, and then like I had an honors class that was like hella difficult. I sucked at math. I didn't know what I was doing in math. Like, I was all over the place. But then I started thinking like about the drama that my friends and I got into. Kind of me, not really me. I was in the story, I was involved, but like honestly didn't have much to do with me, and it's just like a funny story, so I want to tell it because it just goes to show how fucking hilarious high school girls are. It's just such a funny story, so I'm gonna tell it, and I don't want to offend anyone, so I'm sorry if this offends you, but get over it, honestly. So basically, I was with two of my friends in history. We're gonna give them code names. Their names are gonna be Strawberry and Blueberry. So I was with Strawberry and Blueberry in history, and we were all in a group. We were just chit-chatting, whatever, doing our usual thing. And all of a sudden, I don't know who brought it up, but there's these two girls, and to be honest, I don't dislike a lot of people. I will tell you that. Like, if I dislike you, it's for a reason, so I don't dislike lots of people. But these two girls in particular, bitch, I dislike them. We're gonna name them Braids and WANNABE. So Braids and WANNABE had apparently gone on a trip to California together or whatever. By the way, they're both 17-year-olds and they're going to California by themselves. Like, that's living the life, I guess. I don't know. My friend Blueberry, she goes, "Oh my god, did you hear about Braids and WANNABE? They went to California together, just them two. But all they did was smoke weed." And I started laughing. The only thing I chipped in and said was, "Ha ha ha, they could have done that here." And I'm glad that's all I said, because to be honest, had I said anything worse, a lot of shit would have hit the fan and something would have gone down, okay? Keep in mind we're in the middle of history class, but Arizona's schools are like filled to the fucking brim. The classes are filled to the fucking brim, so there's about 30 kids per class, and we're all talking, so it's not like it's just our little group talking, having a little side conversation, and the class is quiet. No, bitch, like the class is loud as hell and we're having our own side conversation. I'm all thinking no one's really paying us any mind, so I'm not even worried about it. Some shit goes down, sis. Some shit goes down. Can I get my shit together? So basically, after I said what I said, my friend Strawberry goes, "And did you see..." I'm out here exposing people. My bad. Code names, sis. My friend Strawberry goes, "Did you see WANNABE's Instagram post?" Because I call her WANNABE because she is one. She thinks she's all that, so I don't like her. I used to be really close with her in middle school, but a lot of shit went down, so I just don't like her as a person. She was like, "And did you see WANNABE's pictures on Instagram? She's arching her back." Ooh, like, I don't like to shit talk girls. Like, girls supporting girls, hell yeah, sisters, but no, she needs a taste of her own motherfucking medicine, okay? I'm not putting her down. I'm just stating fucking facts. She was arching her back and pushing her ass out. I don't know what she was doing, but like, honestly, it's none of my business. It's none of my business. I'm just listening. I'm not saying anything though, but I'm just listening. And we're teenage girls, okay? Like, sometimes we talk some shit. And that's just that. And that's just the way it is. Like, no disrespect. It just happens sometimes. I wasn't talking shit, but I was listening in on the shit talking. The conversation basically ends there. We're done with that. We're not talking about them anymore. They're like the most irrelevant people at this point in time. What we had to do after that was lunch. So we're all walking to lunch, about to get our food or whatever, and I see Wannabe and Braids walking in our direction, and my heart starts pumping, okay? I start getting a little nervous. At this point, I'm like, oh shit, like, they're walking in our direction. I don't know why I was getting nervous, because honestly, I didn't think they were gonna approach us. I just thought, like, I don't know what I thought, but I definitely didn't think they were gonna approach us for whatever reason. But I don't know, it was a coincidence, so my heart started pumping because they were passing us. I thought they were gonna just pass right through us. No, I was mistaken, sisters. They paused, they approached. I knew her on a personal level as well. I got to know her a little better during sophomore year. We weren't best friends or nothing like that, but if the time was right and the situation happened, we would have a conversation every now and then, and I liked her at the time. I dislike bullies. You can be anything. I don't care what you are, but if you're a bully, you are the lowest type of person. Why? Like, why? Not to stoop to her level, but like, honestly, that's the reason I don't like her. And that's the reason why I didn't care about my friends talking shit about her. I really didn't care, to be honest with you. And that's, like, you could say that's a shitty thing of me, but I did not care, and I'm being completely honest. So she comes up to us and she was like, so I heard you were talking shit in history. And this, we had just got finished talking shit like 10 to 15 minutes ago. So I was like, how the hell do you already know? Like, she had the bitch behind us. Let's call her instigator, because that's what she is. You nosy ass, instigating ass bitch. Mind your business. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. So she had gone off and she had messaged Braids and it was like, hey, so-and-so we're talking shit about you with so-and-so, but so-and-so wasn't actually talking shit. But the other two were. I keep on wanting to expose people. Woo! Gonna get my ass sued. My girl Strawberry, I know she does not want to fight. I knew from the get-go she did not want to fight because first of all, she's in theater. And if you fight, you get cut, and theater is her shit. Like, that's her shit. That's, if I really try to expose someone one more time. But anyway, she was like, so is it true? Were you talking about me in your history class? Let me do this off camera. So yeah, she goes up to Strawberry. She's all like, so was it true? Were you talking about me in your history class? And obviously, Strawberry's not no dummy. She's not gonna obviously tell the truth. You know, she tried to take the safe route. The route to get herself out of the sitch. We were just all trying to get ourselves out of the sitch. By the way, Wannabe standing there all like a little sidekick, like, bitch. She's like, we weren't talking about you guys. And so Braids goes, oh really? Because Instigator texted me the moment y'all started talking shit and told me everything you said. At this point, Wannabe, she pops in and she's all like, fuck, what did I just do? I just dropped hella powder. It's like, which one of y'all have me on Instagram? She's like, y'all should be minding your business. Like, sis, you put that picture out publicly. Like, you put that picture out publicly. She's like, which one of you have me on Snap? Which one of you have me on Instagram? I want to see that shit. Y'all need to unadd me now. I'm like, if you put that stuff on the internet publicly, you need to deal with the hate. Like, that's all you, baby. That's all you. You put it up publicly for everyone to see. Your account isn't private either. So whatever. Take it fucking elsewhere, dude. Braids cuts in again. She starts getting a little closer and my heart's pumping. I'm getting nervous. I was standing there like the whole time looking like an idiot. I looked the stupidest out of all of us. I was literally sitting there like, Blueberry was like, Braids is the type of chick, like, if she pops off on you, there's no way you're winning. There's no way you're winning. She doesn't lose fights. She fights dirty. So then she's like, we didn't just smoke in California. And then she points down at her shirt. It's like a San Diego shirt. She's like, we got our shirts. We did this. We did. Like, okay, whatever. Braid starts getting closer and closer and closer. And I'm like, at this point, I'm like, okay, pause. Let me think. Like, what am I about to do right now if she puts hands on Strawberry? Like, what do I do? Because I'm not the type to jump in. I'm a lover, not a fighter. I'm not the type to jump in. So I was like, first of all, like, I can't jump in, but second of all, I'm not just gonna like allow my friend to get beat the fuck up. Even if Strawberry wanted to, she wouldn't have fought back, hopefully. No, she would have. Knowing her, she would have. Knowing Strawberry, she would have fought back, but that would have gotten her ass in trouble, and she probably would have got kicked out of theater. So at this point in time, Braids is all like, you and your little friend need to keep my name out your fucking mouth. And she was like, so close, and I was like, oh my god, what am I about to do right now? Because it was like, she could have swung on spot, and it would have been like, it would have happened like that. She said some stuff to Blueberry too, but I don't remember exactly what she said. This happened a while ago. Then she turns to me, she's like, not you, Juliana, I know you weren't talking shit. And I was like, bitch, I've talked shit about you before. But I didn't say that because, you know, your girl a little nervous already. So I was like, he like starts basically like threatening, next time you have my name in your fucking mouth, like we about to fight. Strawberry didn't say anything, I guess. Blueberry was still looking like shocked that she was even being approached. I was still looking like a dumbass with my hand over my mouth, and then they just stormed off. They were still talking, mumbling under their breaths while they stormed off. When they left, I was like, did that really just happen? Like, did that actually just happen to us right now? It was funny though. We all have to own it up to Instigator. She snitched on us, whatever. Instigator is apparently her friend. So I guess I see why she told, but I hear her talk shit about Instigator throughout history all the time. So bitch, you're just a hypocrite. Yikes. Have to give myself kudos. The blend looks stunning. Let's just move on with the face. I'm not going to film the whole face, but I wanted to mention this L'Oreal Infallible primer. This is the Glow Lock primer. I just bought this yesterday and I want to try it out because today I want to get some glowy skin going. I literally get rosacea every time I put freaking primer on, so your girl's gonna look like a fire truck. I think I should explain to you guys how I got this eye look because I'm not gonna upload it as another get ready with me. Like, I keep on uploading things as get ready with me's, but sis, they're not get ready with me's. I'm not going anywhere. Basically what I did was I took this Morocco shade by Makeup Geek. By the way, this color is so good. Makeup Geek shadows are like probably my favorite formula wise shadows. I don't have a lot of them, but they're really good. You can get them on their website for about $6 per pan, I think, but I just used this one for the crease, and then I used another Makeup Geek shadow called Cocoa Bear. I don't know where it went. It's a little messed up, but this one is also a go-to color of mine. It's just a really pretty warm brown. That was literally all I did for the crease, and then after I cut it with some concealer, I popped on this shade right here, which we already mentioned, and then I blended the edges with more of the Morocco shade. Now I'm just smoking out that Morocco shade on my lower lash line pretty far down. By the way, this is a Morphe M507. I love this brush. It's good for getting into tight spaces. I'm actually going to take the Cocoa Bear shade and I'm going to smoke that. Also on my lower lash line, but not all the way, just right here on the outer corners for some more depth. Something is really like in my eye, like poking in my eye. After I do that, because this is so low, I know it looks crazy right now, trust me, we'll fix it, Swiss. I'm gonna take some mascara. This is the Maybelline the Colossal. I'm gonna actually take a clean Morphe M441 brush and just do a little bit of blending, because was that just me or did the camera literally just move on its own? Bruh, I'm like, actually, my house is haunted. Let me know if you want a story time on why I think my house is haunted, because I honestly, seriously, truthfully think my house is literally haunted. I feel like I do the same thing for lips all the time, but today I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Tiramisu lip liner. This is the Shiznits. Go pick this up. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the ColourPop lippy stick in the shade Brink. And then because I want a little orangish effect, I'm just going to go in with this Pink Ice lip gloss that I got at Rouge 21 a long time ago. Ugh, this smells like plastic. That doesn't really match, but I'm too lazy to figure something else out, so yeah. My hair is fucking crunchy. I really want to get into wigs. I wish I wasn't so broke. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post at least 2 videos a week now. All of my social medias will be down in the description bar below if you want to follow them for cool, snazzy content. I'm pretty great. Not really, but If you want to follow them, you can. Thank you guys so much for 90 subscribers, by the way. That's awesome. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this. If you recreate it, please tag me on my Instagram because I would absolutely love to see it. Thank you guys again. I love you.